Hi, welcome to Nice Rack. I'm Brad, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. It's a nice big box. I do know what this is. You may not. Three individual boxes. Peanuts everywhere. Goofy boxes. Guess you definitely know if somebody's opened them or not. Right. I still have peanuts all over the floor, but MSI RX 580 armor. These are nice. All three should be the same. RX, 570 armor. Oh yeah, there was one of one and two of each, but bam bam. Bam bam. And then good old number 3. They all just look the same. One model different. RX 580 armor, 570 armor, 580 armor. So 3 armors. Can't wait to fire all these up. Alright, have a great day.